Here's how you install presets on the Lightroom mobile app. Now I'm here on my desktop because this is the quickest and easiest way to do it because Lightroom is automatically synced with your mobile app if you're using the same account. So to do this, just click the Edit tab, click Presets, click the three dots, and then click Import Presets. Find the XMP files. So this, if you've downloaded a preset pack from Video School, we give you desktop and mobile folders. Still use the desktop folder if you're using this way. Select all of the XMP files, click Import. It's going to create a folder here under Yours, and you can see here we have all of our presets. Now, if you go ahead and open up your mobile app, it might take a minute or two, but it will sync up and all of these presets will appear in your mobile app. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now so you can see what I'm talking about. So here I have a photo opened on the Lightroom mobile app. Under presets, I have this Video School flat matte pack automatically applied. So I can just click on any of these presets and it will automatically apply. Okay, so now let's go ahead and I'm going to actually delete this pack from Lightroom Mobile, and then I'm going to show you how to manually create presets if you don't use the desktop app. So now you can see I've deleted that folder. So the way it works in Lightroom, the mobile app, is a little bit different. You can't just at this time install XML files as presets. The process is actually creating a preset from another photo. So what we've done is created photos that have all of the settings applied that will copy them from and create the presets. So the first thing you'll need to do is download the folder. You can do this on your phone. If you have a desktop, you can download the folder, unzip it, and then send the files to your phone. However you do it, you need this mobile folder of files on your phone. If you download the zip file, typically it's just clicking that zip file and your phone will be able to unzip it. You'll see these two folders, and then just know that you'll be using the mobile photo. Back in Lightroom, the best way to do this is to stay organized. So the first thing we're going to do is actually create a new album. So create new album, we'll call this, for now, we'll just call it VS Flat Matte. Click OK. Now, click on that folder. We're going to add photos to it now. So click this button in the bottom right to add photos. We're going to choose from files. And then on your files, you're going to find that mobile folder. Open that up, and to select all of these files, click the three dots in the top, click the select button, and then go ahead and select all of the files. Each of our packs contains about 10 presets. Then click Open. These will populate into your album that we just created, and you can see a preview of what these photos or presets will look like. Now, one thing I notice is that the order of these photos is not always correct in terms of the order that we've named our presets. So to view them in order, it's very helpful to click the top three buttons in the top right, click Sort by File Name, and then the view options, if you don't have photo info on already, and show overlays, click show overlays and make sure the photo info is highlighted. Now they are in the order of the file name and the way that we've created them, which we try to order them in a more logical sense, like all the black and white presets for this pack, for example, are at the end. So the next step is to go individually, open the photo. So select the first photo, for example. What we're going to do is basically create a preset from this photo. So click the three buttons in the top again, click Create Preset. Under User Presets, we're going to create a new preset group. Click Create New Preset Group. We'll call this VS Flat Matte or whatever you want to call it. Click the check mark. So that's going to be, we're going to put these under a group now, and then just create a name for it. You can name it whatever you want. You can follow our naming conventions, Flat Matte 1, and then click the check mark. All right, so now let's go back and find a different photo from our library to practice this on. You would have to repeat this for all of the photos in that folder. But now let's just open up another photo. Here's a photo of my kids. We can go to the presets button down here. And now we have this VS Flat Matte album or folder of presets that we've created. Click on that and we have Flat Matte 1. Here's an example of where we would have to adjust the exposure of this preset. So click the check mark. And now, because this is non-destructive editing, we can go in here and we can edit any of these other settings. So that's how you install and use presets using the Lightroom mobile app. Like I said in the beginning, it's much easier to do this using the Lightroom app on a desktop, but at least there is an option. So just a reminder, you'd have to go through each photo again. So go back to our albums. We're going to go to VS Flat Matte, open up the second one, and from there, do the same thing. 3 dots, choose Create Preset, and then from there, you'll see under Preset Group, now we have the VS Flat Matte group that we could add this under. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed the presets that we share with you. Cheers.